So let me guess, you want to make money with affiliate marketing, but you're really not sure how to get started. In this video, I'm going to show you 2 traffic sources that you can get started with to make money with affiliate marketing, and I'm going to show you several different niches that you can use and products that you can promote. So as a beginner, if you're looking to start with affiliate marketing, you can hit the ground running right after this video. So I'm going to show you how to make money with affiliate marketing, and the first thing that you need is a website so that you have a place to put your products and that people can visit. So the first thing that I'm going to show you is what you need to do to get your website started. To do that, you can just go over to WordPress.com. They have a really nice layout for you and several tools that you can use to create just about any type of website you want. All you have to do is upload whatever theme you like. Some are paid, some are free. If you like to sign up for WordPress, just go to plans and pricing. And if you scroll down, you'll see that you can start for free with the option to upgrade later as you begin to make sales. You even have the option to upgrade and set up an e-commerce website if you want to, and you can market and sell just about any type of affiliate product on these websites. Not to mention money you can earn from ad revenue also. Now, if you're looking to get started, WordPress can be a little bit technical for a beginner. So what you can do is start with a basic website builder. So you just want to go over to wealthyaffiliate.com. And as you can see, they're all about online business. And if I scroll down, you'll see what Wealthy Affiliate can do for you. And if we just look here, build a beautiful profit-ready website, build out the foundation of your business with our one-click website builder. So it's really simple, quick, and easy to build a website using Wealthy Affiliate. And once your website is built and you have your product, the next thing that you want to do is get traffic. And just below that, get traffic and lots of it. With over 5.25+ billion people online, your potential is endless. So not only can you use Wealthy Affiliate to create a website literally within minutes, but you can also learn how to get traffic to your website. If you look here, you'll learn about the most current traffic strategies and methods that can attract and engage with people who can become your potential clients. Basically, people who are going to buy your affiliate products. So why are websites so effective when it comes to affiliate marketing? Well, once you begin to use a platform like Wealthy Affiliate to create your website in minutes and learn the necessary strategies to get traffic, you can create websites just like this one for an example. And if we scroll down and look at the stats, you'll see that it's in a consumer's good niche and they get around 344,000 monthly visits. So I'm going to show you a few examples, and this is that website that we were just looking at. This is a website that you can very easily create. This theme is not that difficult. And as you can see, they sell and promote a lot of different products. And it looks like anything from health and fitness to beauty and appliances and a couple of other products. And you could only imagine how much this website is making with affiliate marketing. The next website I want to show you is going to be the Dog Food Advisor. And of course, the niche is going to be in dog food. As you could also see, they get 2.2 million views per month. And if we go to the website, scroll down a little, you'll see that they're writing reviews for all these different kinds of dog foods. As you can see here, dog food reviews A to Z, and they have a Chewy or Amazon affiliate link to each product in their reviews. And this website wouldn't be that difficult to create at all. As you can see, it's a really simple layout. You could easily create a website just like this using WordPress or a Wealthy Affiliate. The next website that I want to show you is in a computer parts niche, and they get about 3.9 million views per month. And if we look at the website PC Part Picker, this website is created around helping people build their own computers. And they make money from product recommendations, so they include Amazon affiliate links for the parts in their PC builds, guides, and product reviews. And they're getting a lot of traffic, so regardless of what niche you wanted to go into, you could still make a lot of money. Now that was just an example of a few different types of niches that you could go into. But if you wanted to do more research, just go to Google and type in best affiliate websites or affiliate marketing websites. And when you scroll down, you'll find a lot of different websites and niches, products you can sell. You can even get ideas so that you can get started and begin to make money with affiliate marketing. So once you've decided what type of affiliate marketing website that you want to create, it's time to create content that generates affiliate sales. And the only way that you're going to be able to do that is by having a product ready to promote. Which is why I want to show you a few websites that you can go to and sign up to promote affiliate products and make commissions. The first website is going to be Sharesalecom. This is a huge marketplace. They have a lot of different products that you could promote. As you can see here, you can use it to monetize your content. and 200 million sales were generated in 2022 alone. So you guys just want to come over here and sign up, check out the different types of products that you can promote, and see if they're the right type of products for your website. And another website that you can go to is CJcom. This website also has a lot of different types of products that you can promote. And again, you just want to come over here and sign up to see if they're the right type of products for your website. But CJcom is another reputable marketplace. Another one that you can use is Clickbank.com. They also rival with Digistore24. Not only does this website have a wide range of products that you can promote and make money as an affiliate marketer, but they also have several tools that you can use to help you promote these products, like done for you articles, email swipes, PDF reports, Instagram posts, etc. So all you have to do is come over here and sign up and look at the different types of categories or niches that your website is in, and look over the different types of products that you can promote. You could even look for a niche specific type of affiliate marketing network like More Niche. They focus on health only. As you can see, join the #1 health affiliate network. And if we go up here to brands and scroll down, you will be able to see all of these different types of products that you can promote. And another thing about all of the affiliate networks that I just showed you, you're going to be cookie. That means that if anyone clicks on your affiliate link but don't purchase right away, as long as they purchase within a 30-day period, you're still going to get that affiliate commission. But on this network, More Niche cookies last forever. So whether your customer takes weeks, months, or even years to buy, you'll always get your commission. So that's a really nice way to continue to make sales with these different types of products. And the next one I'm pretty sure a lot of you guys have heard of, and that's Amazon Associates. So you can just sign up, become an affiliate, and promote just about any product that they have on their website. It's really simple. You would just sign up, recommend, and earn. Another really good affiliate network is the one here called Yazine. It's really easy to sign up. You can just look through here and promote a variety of products. You just want to log in to earn and get your affiliate link. Another good affiliate network is going to be Capterra. You can use this website if you want to promote software products. So what you would do is go to software categories, and let's just select email marketing software for an example. And that's going to bring us to this page where you have all of these different types of products. And what you would do is visit the website, see if they have an affiliate program, sign up, and get your affiliate link. Now, if you were looking for something along the lines of CPA, which is cost per action affiliate marketing, you can go to Maxbounty.com and sign up to create a free account and look over the different types of products that you can promote. This is where you can promote an affiliate marketing product, but no one needs to purchase anything. All they have to do is complete an action. For an example, something like providing their email, completing a survey, or maybe even liking a video. And you can use any one of these different types of affiliate marketing networks to promote a variety of products on your websites. So now that you know how to use websites to make money with affiliate marketing, I also want to show you a few examples of how you can do the same thing with YouTube, because websites and YouTube is one of the best ways that you're going to get a lot of free traffic to your affiliate products. So the first channel that I want you to take a look at is this one here called Linus Tech Tips. And they're creating different types of videos and promoting different types of technology like computers, phones, tablets, keyboards, different types of software, etc. And if we click onto any one of these videos and scroll down, you'll see immediately that there's going to be affiliate links inside these videos. But with YouTube and even websites, you can earn a lot of money through ad revenue also. If we go over to Social Blade, you'll see that this channel is making anywhere from $23,000 to $362,000 a month in ad revenue on top of all the affiliate marketing commissions that they're making. So if you want to do something in tech, I highly recommend that you take a look at this channel. You could also combine your YouTube channel with your website to cross-promote to your traffic, which could allow you to make even more money with affiliate marketing. Another one is this channel over here if you wanted to do something in finance or entrepreneurship. This is also a really nice channel with amazing content, and if you click onto any one of his videos, again, you're going to find that he has a couple of affiliate marketing links as well, and this channel is making a lot of money with the different types of affiliate marketing products that they're promoting. Another channel that we can take a look at for an example would be something like the makeup niche. If we scroll down here and click onto one of her videos, you'll see that she has a variety of different types of affiliate marketing products that she's promoting. A really good way to find different types of products that you can promote is to just take a look at different types of channels and websites and see what they're promoting. Then go to that website and sign up as an affiliate yourself And you can also start promoting those products to make money with affiliate marketing. And you're all set. But if you're really not a fan of this method and you want to check out my #1 recommendation to make money online, you can click the first link in the description below this video. By the way, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on the notifications bell to get the latest tips and tutorials that'll help you make money online. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.